Fred asked us, how do you deal with laundry and showers while being in coach class using the Amtrak USA Rail Pass?
The answer to this is a little complicated for us because when we're traveling, a lot of the times we're visiting friends and family that we're able to stay with. So we're just doing laundry like at our friends' houses and stuff.
Yeah, take advantage of their hospitality. Take advantage. But you know what I mean. Use their stuff.
But if you are going somewhere where you don't know anybody, we really recommend staying at hostels, looking into hostels instead of hotels, because hostels usually have laundry facilities.
Yeah, they'll have pay machines, usually down the basement or lower level, that you can pay with quarters or a card or whatever. Hotels will probably have laundry service, but at the end of the day, that laundry service is going to be expensive. Real expensive.
Yeah, so staying at hostels is just more affordable in the first place, and then if you need to do laundry, then it's easier. And showers, same deal. Just plan to stop in between each leg when you're using the USA Rail Pass.
Yeah. If you have any more questions, ask us down in the comments, and we'll answer them in 90 seconds or less.